All right, let's crush an instant nerdle. Instant nerdle is a scrambled up math equation that requires unscrambling, dude. So let's unscramble this thing. All right, so we only have multiplication today. So this is going to be a single digit number times a double digit number equals a triple digit number. There's no other way. If we multiply bigger numbers than that, we're going to get it. It's going to be at least a triple digit number because we have to have at least a double digit number times a single digit number. The multiplication sign could go in the second or the third spot. But this is going to be a 2. Let's just say the multiplication sign goes here first. Typically, I like to work with the ones digits because if you multiply two ones digits, then that's going to tell you about the ones digit of the answer. So let's just try different digits in this ones digits place and see if they work. If I try to put a 3 here, 3 times 2 is 6. This number, we don't have a 6, so this number can't end in a 6. So that doesn't work. If we put an 8 here, this would end in a 6 because 8 times 2 is 16. Though we don't have a 6. Though if we put a 4 here, this number would end in an 8. So that's the first number that works in this place. Now we can try different numbers in this front spot. So I'm just going to move from left to right, see if we can do that. 3 can't go here because it's purple and it can't go in the spot. So the green tile goes in the same spot. Everything else needs to be moved. So this 3 can't go here. 8 can't go here because we already put 8 in the equation. Same with 4. If we put a 9 here. All right, I'm pretty quickly realizing that nothing is going to work. The multiplication sign can't go here because if we multiply a double-digit number by 2, it's going to be in the 100s, and we don't have a 1 to put here. So the multiplication sign, I can immediately tell, actually goes here, and we can immediately just kind of eliminate this as even a possibility because the triple-digit number isn't going to work if we're multiplying by 2. All right, so same system now. I'm going to try different numbers in this spot to multiply by this and see if it works with this number. So 3 can't go here, 8 can't go here because 8 times 2 is 16. This would be a 6. That doesn't work. We can put a 4 here. And now I'm back to trying different numbers in this spot. So if I put a 4 there, this has to be an 8. If this was 32 times 4, it would be in the 100s. Again, we don't have a 1, so that doesn't work. 8 doesn't work here. 9 times 2, so that would be in the 300s. This might work. 978, yep. So if I put a 9 here, 4 times 92. 4 times 90 is 360. Oh, no, it doesn't work. I was thinking the 9 was here. It just barely doesn't work. This is 368. We needed it to be 378. So 9 doesn't work here. Does a 7 work? No. Nope, because that's going to be in the 200s. So 4 doesn't work out front. Does 9 work here? 9 times 2 is 8, so we can keep the 8 there. 9 times 2 is 18, so this would end in an 8. What numbers can go here? If we put a 3 here, we're in the 200s. And we already used our 2, so 2 can't go here. If we put an 8 here, we can't put an 8 there. If we put a 4 here, this could be it. Yeah, this is exactly what I was thinking it was before. So this is 378. And that's our answer, dude. Instant nerdle for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.